Pranams, welcome to Amara Auto Healing Techniques. A couple of days back, I was handling a guided meditation session for stress management. One of the participants told me he was suffering from irritable bowel system, IBS, and a few months back he consulted a doctor, a specialist doctor in the medical college. Some medicines were prescribed for him and he took the medicines for 1 month, and after that he went to the medical shop for purchasing the medicine. The salesman told him, you should have a current prescription by the practitioner, otherwise I cannot give you the medicine. So this chap asked the salesman, why, what's the problem? He said this is the medicine being administered for people with psychological disorders. So this person was a little bit embarrassed, but actually he was undergoing great mental stress during that time, because this person was working in the state electricity board in a supervisory cadre, and there was an incident of electrocution of two electricity workers under him, and following that he was facing disciplinary action from his employer. So actually he was undergoing great mental stress that time. So actually, he didn't purchase the medicine and came back, and uh, he's still having the problem of irritable bowel system. He approached me to undergo some stress management sessions and came for the guided meditation program. Actually, I mentioned this incident to correlate between the mental stress and irritable bowel system conditions. And irritable bowel system occurs mostly because of the mental stress a person is experiencing. In fact, most of the corporate executives are undergoing through great mental stress nowadays. Maybe due to so many reasons, such as a deadline of the project work they have taken up, or maybe to catch the early morning train, or maybe due to some transfer to a new place or something like that. There will be lots and lots of problems. Then again, there is another disorder, or one more disorder we would like to mention in this context, that is binge eating, overeating or binge eating, it is called, commonly called. This binge eating also leads to irritable bowel system and many other disorders such as obesity, back pain, hypertension, so many other problems. Then, when we are stressed, why we go for overeating, or uh, we always go for a packet of chocolate, or maybe some crunchies, spicy crunchies like that. Why is it like that? It is because of when we are stressed, there is a chemical named as cortisol being induced in our blood, which in turn induces hunger. And momentarily, we may get a relaxation by taking some crunchies or some chocolates or sweets. But in turn, it leads to more mental stress, and studies have shown that it leads to more mental stress and physical problems. So, how to cope with it? That is the we are going discussing certain solutions for it today. So, to uh, easily, when we are going to office, it is easy to carry a packet of chocolates than some healthy foods like fresh vegetables or um, fresh fruits. But that is because we have learned certain bad habits in our past, and we are not ready to change it, unlearn it. We have now, what we have to do is we have to unlearn those bad habits and learn healthy habits, healthy eating habits, and mental to manage our mental stress also we will have to go for healthy eating habits. It's a bit difficult, in fact, but it's a question of our health. We'll have to definitely go for that. So we'll see what are the substitutes for these chocolates and crunchies. We'll see one by one. We can have a handful of sprouted nuts. Ground nuts are very good, and if you can sprouted means it should be soaked in water for at least 6 hours. Then you can, so you munch it like that. It's very healthy. It's rich of fibers and other proteins, and everybody will have a doubt. Groundnuts are supposed to be a rich source of proteins and fat. Will not it lead us to cholesterol issues and all? It will not, because in its dry form, those fat and proteins are villains in that aspect. But when it is soaked for at least a minimum of 6 hours, this dry protein will convert it to fibrous and easily soluble form. So we can easily have it like that. Okay. Then even we can have sprouted almonds. It's much more tasty also. And another thing is we can have coconuts, raw coconuts, as it is. If we munch it, it's very beneficial for our health, for our bowel movement and all. Coconut is very healthy and very helpful. Then another options we can go for is fresh fruits, especially yellow bananas. These yellow bananas are this especially small plantain fruit. Plantain fruit is a rich source of serotonin. Serotonin is known as the happy compound of happiness, which enhances our mood or creates a happy moodiness. Serotonin. So these bananas are, or plantain fruits are a rich source of serotonin. Most of the fruits are source of serotonin. Even other bananas are very good source of serotonin. Then another source is berries. Gooseberries or blueberries or strawberries, any berry will give you the same result. Then whenever to meet your need for hot food, you always go for uh, capsicums fresh, and this is to be avoided. This is red chilies are to be avoided, strictly avoided. And we always go for much soothing capsicum, or and if you need much more spicy food, you always go for black pepper. Black pepper is a very good supplement and source, and it contains a lot of antioxidants and like that. And ginger is also a very good alternative. You can substitute your red chilies with ginger, pepper, or even capsicums. Then another very good option is our cucumbers. You can consume it as raw as it is, or mix it with other vegetables in a vegetable salad and have it. Then sprouted pulses. Pulses can be taken, but take care that it should be soaked in water for at least 6 hours. All kind of pulses like green gram, everything, every pulses is very beneficial. Pulses are very beneficial, and so it can be once it is sprouted, it can be consumed as it is, or just steam it and have it. Then another thing to avoid is white sugar. The villain, one of the most villainous material is white sugar, and always go for black sugar or jaggery for a healthy substitute for a white sugar on jaggery or even honey is very fulfilling and enriching. Whenever we and in fact we crave for sweets in a very stressed condition, you always go for honey or jaggery to substitute white sugar. Another very bad option is bread and baked items made out of the what you call the white flour or maida. Another and it leads to early aging also, studies have shown. Then white rice is another villain in this range, and we should substitute white rice with the brown rice. That is very much fulfilling. This is to be avoided. White rice is to be substituted with brown rice. So any kind of fresh fruit and fresh vegetable are very beneficial. Especially avocados are very beneficial. Lady's finger, then pumpkin, any member of the melon family, everything is very beneficial. And these fruits and vegetables can be consumed as far as raw as possible, and lightly steamed or lightly cooked, and without much spices. And always keep in mind that red chilies should be avoided. And for Indian cooking, we use lot of spices and roasted spices like that. And one of the main ingredients of Indian cooking is, especially South Indian cooking, is red chilies. So keep in mind, we should replace red chilies with black pepper or capsicum. And ginger is a very good alternative for substituting this spicy food. Ginger supports us in many ways. Then I think we had a at least we have touched almost all basic things in choosing the food. Or one, the first thing is determination. And we'll have a strong determination that I'll go for it. We are suffering from this problem, and one first thing is to be aware that I am undergoing mental stress and I have to overcome it. And this mental stress is creating a lot of the other physical problems, such as irritable bowel system or obesity, and it may lead to more problems in future. And so I am determined to have a very healthy diet plan, and I'll stick to it. And when we are going to the office, and when we are feeling stressed or having a light headache, what we opt is we'll go for a tea break or coffee break. So instead of having a tea in the break, take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes break in between. You can carry a handful of dates with you, a handful of sprouted groundnuts or sprouted almonds with you. Take it, munch it, relax yourselves, and get back to work. That is even you can fight migraines or insomnia, and so many other disorders also with this very healthy diet plan. And the first and final thing you should have is the determination, and we should be determined that we will stick to the diet plan, and we will not be tempted by the chocolate packet or crispies packet. That is most important thing in the healing process. So wish you all a very healthy life, and wish you that I wish that every one of you can take a strong decision, that and you can overcome the problems like IBS, insomnia, migraine, and so many other related disorders you are experiencing now. Have a very nice time, and we'll see again with another